This vaccine is used to prevent infection by the influenza, flu, virus, especially in people at high risk from the infection, such as young children, older adults, and people with chronic health problems. Vaccines work by causing the body to produce its own protection against the virus. The brand and dose of vaccine you receive depends on your age. Influenza vaccination is not recommended in infants less than 6 months old. Since different types of flu viruses cause infection every flu season, usually a new vaccine is produced and given for each flu season. This flu vaccine does not contain live virus, so it cannot cause the flu. Before receiving the vaccine, make sure to read all available information from your healthcare professional. The vaccine is typically given by injection into a muscle, with adults and children receiving it in the upper arm and infants receiving it in the upper thigh. The vaccination is usually given from September to November, at the start of the flu season. Only one dose is required for people aged 9 years and older, while children under May 9 need a second dose depending on when the first dose was given. Be sure to discuss the dose schedule with your healthcare professional. After getting the Afluria Quad 2023-2024, 6mO up, 60 mcg, 15x4, /0.5 ml suspension influenza vaccine, you may experience soreness, redness, swelling, or bruising at the injection site, which can last for up to 1 to 2 days. Fever, muscle aches, headache, or weakness may also occur. If any of these effects continue beyond 2 days or become bothersome, tell your healthcare professional. Rarely, some people may experience symptoms such as fainting, dizziness, vision changes, or ringing in the ears just after getting the vaccine. If you have any of these symptoms, tell your healthcare professional right away. Sitting or lying down may help, since these symptoms usually don't last long. It's important to remember that this vaccine has been prescribed because the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. However, if you experience any serious side effects such as mental/mood changes, numbness/tingling, or seizures, tell your healthcare professional immediately. Although very rare, a serious allergic reaction to this vaccine may occur. Get medical help right away if you notice symptoms such as rash, severe dizziness, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice other effects not listed, contact your healthcare professional. If you have any concerns or need medical advice about side effects, reach out to your healthcare professional for guidance. Before getting the Afluria Quad 2023-2024, 6mO up, 60 mcg, 15x4, /0.5 ml suspension influenza vaccine, make sure to tell your healthcare provider if you are allergic to it or any other vaccines, or if you have any other allergies. This vaccine may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's important to discuss this with your healthcare professional. Be sure to also inform your healthcare provider about your medical history, especially if you have had any fever, uncontrolled seizures or other nervous system disorder, a history of Guillain-Barré syndrome, immune system disorders, seizures, or a history of other nervous system disorders. If you are pregnant, it is usually recommended to get the flu vaccination, but be sure to discuss the risks and benefits with your healthcare professional. It is also important to consult your healthcare professional before breastfeeding, as it is unknown if this vaccine passes into breast milk. When taking Afluria Quad 2023-2024, 6mO up, 60 mcg, 15x4, /0.5 ml suspension influenza vaccine, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can affect how the vaccine works and may increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the medications and herbal products you are using and share it with your healthcare professional. Never start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without first consulting your doctor. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of the vaccine. Remember, always consult with your healthcare professional before making any changes to your medication routine. This influenza vaccine is recommended for use in patients 6 months of age and older. It is administered as a 0.5 ml injection into the muscle. The Afluria Quad 2023-2024 vaccine contains 60 micrograms of hemagglutinin, 15 micrograms of each of the 4 influenza strains, per 0.5 ml dose. This vaccine is used to protect against the influenza virus and its related complications. It is important to receive the vaccine annually, preferably before the start of the flu season. The optimal timing for vaccination may vary depending on the region and the circulating strains of influenza. Be sure to consult with your healthcare provider for the best time to receive the vaccine. The Afluria Quad 2023-2024, 6mo up, 60 mcg, 15x4/0.5 ml suspension influenza vaccine is recommended for anyone looking to lower their risk of getting the flu. It is important to get vaccinated annually as the vaccine may contain different flu strains each year, providing the best possible protection. It is safe for individuals aged 6 months and older and is administered as a 0.5 ml injection. The best time to take this vaccine is before the start of flu season for maximum effectiveness. This influenza vaccine is recommended for use in patients 6 months of age and older. It is administered as a 0.5 ml injection into the muscle. The Afluria Quad 2023-2024 vaccine contains 60 micrograms of hemagglutinin, 15 micrograms of each of the 4 influenza strains, per 0.5 ml dose. This vaccine is used to protect against the influenza virus and its related complications. It is important to receive the vaccine annually, preferably before the start of the flu season. The optimal timing for vaccination may vary depending on the region and the circulating strains of influenza. Be sure to consult with your healthcare provider for the best time to receive the vaccine. It is important to store Afluria Quad 2023-2024, 6mo up, 60 mcg, 15x4/0.5 ml suspension influenza vaccine in the refrigerator and to protect it from light. Make sure to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need the vaccine or it expires, it is important to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. Do not flush the vaccine down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.